Hello and welcome to this exciting lesson on Java collections. Collections are a fundamental part of Java programming, allowing developers to manage and manipulate groups of objects efficiently. Imagine a e-commerce website. It needs to store a list of products, maintain a cart, and track user orders. This is where Java collections come into play. Let's dive in. What is collections in Java? First, a collection is a framework in Java that provides ready-to-use data structures to store, manipulate, and retrieve objects efficiently. It helps manage dynamic data structures like list, set, and maps without worrying about memory allocation. What is the key benefits of these collections? It can store and manage a large amount of data easily. So for efficient data storage, we can use collections. And flexibility. So collections can able to resize dynamically, so if we need it. And built-in methods. It provides useful operations like sorting, searching, and filtering for using the inbuilt methods. And let's explore different types of collections. Java provides several collection types under the Java util package, broadly classified as list. First one is list. So ordered collection. It allows duplicates. Okay. So here is the example program. I'm having the class list example. Inside that, I'm having the main method and I am creating the object for the list of string data type and assigning to the array list and adding the product laptop, phone, and tablet to my list and printing that list. That's it. So here is the syntax on how to use and how to print the list, array list, right? So we can learn it. Used for sorting, used for storing ordered elements with duplicates, we can use this. So like shopping cart items, I can store it using the array list. Other implementations are linked list, vector, and stack. Okay, then next one is unordered collections. Set. Let's see about set, which is unordered collection and it does not allow the duplicates. Okay, so let's see the example programs. I'm going to create one class and inside the class I'm having the main method. Inside the main method I'm creating the object for the set, new hash set, and adding the values in my set. It's a unique one, right? So it does not allow the duplicate. I'm adding allies and pop names in my set. If I printing this set, I can only see one time for allies. Okay, it will display the one time value because it does not allow the duplicate one. So then allies and pop. Okay, it will display like this. So mainly we used for unique elements we can use set. Okay, so in example registered user in a system. For example, I'm registering the e-commerce website, means like many of them registered it, right? So that should be unique one. It does not be duplicated. Okay, one member cannot be able to create a multiple account. So at the time I can go with this set. Okay, and other implementation for this set are linked hash set and tree set. And third one, map. It's a key value pair collection. It does not allow the duplicate keys. Okay, so how to handle this hash map? So I'm going to create a class map example. Inside that I'm having main method and I'm creating the object for the hash map using new hash map of and it's a key value pair, right? So we need to add key and value, then I'm printing that value. So storing key value pairs. At the time, I mean for fetching the order or something products, I need to fetch based on some key values, means I can go with this. So other implementation of map is linked hash map, tree map, and hash tables. The fourth one is queue. It's a first in first on data structure, so it accepts the first element, first come first serve, like that. So linked list as queue. Actually this linked list is a queue. So if you're creating a new linked list of an array to the queue interface, so it acts as a queue. Okay, because it's accept the element order wise how we are inserting, like that. So I'm adding values and I can able to remove using the inbuilt method like pull up. So I'm removing it and then I'm checking it. It does. If I use q.pull-off, I'm checking is it removing the first element or last element. So definitely it removes the first element, right? So we can able to check on it. Where we are using this means managing sequential processing. So Customer service request. If you are getting the customer service request means it should be the order based, we need to reply them, right? So at that time we can use this queue. Other implementation of queues are periodic queue and DQ, like that. And Java collections in e-commerce example, how we are building it. Let's see. Simply, let's say you are building an e-commerce application, so we can use a list for storing products in a category, and set for tracking unique registered users, and map we can use for mapping order IDs to order status, and queue we can use for managing a queue of customer support tickets. So this collection helps in efficient data management, right? So and also it improves the system performance. Let's see about most commonly asked interview questions in collections. First, what is the difference between list, set and map? First one, a candidate answer can like this. First, list, right? So a list is an ordered collection that allows duplicates like an array but dynamic. And the next one is set, right? A set is an unordered collection that does not allow duplicate, ensuring values. And map is a collection of key value pairs, ensuring each key is unique. That's it. You can simply answer like this. And second question, what is the difference between array list and linked list? So we can answer like this. Array list uses a dynamic array and provides fast random access but slow insert and or delete operations. Linked list uses a doubly linked list, making insert and delete faster but access slower. So operations are faster but retrieving the value gets slower compared to array list. Third question, what is hash map and how does it work? We can answer like this. A hash map stores key value pairs and uses a hashing technique to store and retrieve values efficiently. It allows one number of time complexity for basic operation like get and put. So it's a number of time is 1. Based on one fetch, we can be able to get the value. So that's why we are using hash map for fetching the elements. Fourth question, what is the difference between hash map and hash table? This is the most important question. In each and every interview they will ask this question, but you can answer simply and with your example, that's much better. So I'm just telling this simple answer. Hash map is not synchronized. Important thing. It is faster but not thread safe. But hash table is synchronized, just thread safe. Compared to hash map, it's slower. Okay, so you can simply and clearly you can tell like this. Okay, hash map, it's both are key and value pair. Okay, hash map is synchronized. Hash map is not synchronized, but hash table is synchronized. It's a thread safe. It's lower compared to the hash map. Like this, you can tell the answer. And fifth question, what is concurrent hash map? So like we told you before, hash map is not synchronized, right? But if we need to handle this thread safe using the hash map, we can go with the concurrent hash map, because a concurrent map is a thread safe version of hash map used in multi-threading environment without logging the entire map. This is how you can confidently answer this commonly asked Java interview questions with real-world examples. The key is to explain clearly, relate answers to practical scenarios, and demonstrates knowledge through examples. Now practice the answers, refine your explanation, and get ready to ace your Java interview. If you are preparing for a Java developer interview but don't know where or how to start, or maybe you are already working and want to level up your Java skills with a real-time project, well, I have got something perfect just for you. I have created a complete Java interview preparation course where we don't just learn theory. We actually build a real-time project, a bank customer management system using Java, Spring Boot, Hibernate, JPA, MySQL, and microservices. Yes, it's the kind of project you work on in a real company. Inside this course, you will learn Java OOPS concepts with real-time code, REST APIs with Spring Boot, working with databases using JPA and Hibernate, SQL queries, GTL, DML, DQL, and more. Real-time coding scenarios that interviewer ask about. Whether you are a fresher or experienced developer, this course is tailor-made to help you crack interviews and improve your on the job skills. Just check the link in the description below to enroll instantly and start learning now. No boring slides, just hands-on real-world development. Drop a Java in the comments if you are excited to start and let me know what Java topics you want me to cover next. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if this helped you, and tag your friends who is preparing for Java interviews. Thanks for watching.